Hello again, my lovelies. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And it's January 2023, and this is my new How to Kill a Kit with Style. The How to Kill a Kit with Style has went very themey for the year 2023, and I'm really excited about that because it is going to give me an opportunity to dive well into my stash to pick some things. I wasn't quite prepared as I would like to be to go through all of my stash. So the main things that I just really want to focus on is using up these items here that are, that are all consumables. I have a stencil here. Obviously, that's not a consumable. And I'm going to focus heavily on this glitter glaze and that one. I have a whole bunch of partially used bottles. Well, not partially, it was like almost completely gone. Mostly glitter glass. Well, throwing stuff at you guys. Alright, so this is pretty much my kit. For January, we went all warm beverages, coffee type. And it's going to go a plethora of many ways, you guys, on how everybody is using these. I am late to the party because I took December off and then just kind of couldn't get back into the routine. But I do have a full weekend off from work. Woo! So we're going to go through this, and this is my kit reveal. And then at the end of this month, when I do my kit wrap up, I'm actually going to do a layout share for everything that I've been doing, all the layouts I did all through December and January. So I've got a stack of photos here that I want, because I also went through and organized all my photos, because I've got 5 empty little photo containers. So these, organized them and put like little stickies in. So basically what I did was took a sticky, turned it upside down, and wrote what it was. And then I took this and stuck it like that. And a piece of washi. And then we've got that. So the other thing that I'm going to throw in here is this. Because I want to try to use up these kits, like these little cases like this. Oh, wait a minute. Give me 1 second. I don't think this one's going to work. This is more travel related. But I have a plethora of them down yonder. So let's put those in there. So I'm definitely going to change up how I do my How to Kill a Kit this year as opposed to last year where I was doing all of the little kits. We'll be able to get a lot of traction out of, and they're not organized anymore by any means, you guys. I used to have them organized, but since I'm definitely trying to go through them as much as possible. Okay, we're going to pull those 3. What do I got going on here? Because I see a lot of coffee and warm beverage type items in there. Now, mind you, none of my photos that I have chosen has anything to do with coffee or warm beverages. So, you know me, I like to get creative and show you how to use things in other ways so that you can get the most out of your kits. So we're going to go through this. So I've got my photos here. Some of them are duplicates. So like this one, we'll scrap for a later day. Alright. Then we've got a rainbow that me and my husband saw. This one promotion to go in the current job that I was, in the position I was holding there. That was, she was one of my direct reports, and she was vacuuming the office one day. And you guys know me, I like to make fun of people, so, and this is one of my coworkers from that position mopping the warehouse floor. So I made fun and took pictures of him. And then this was 2 promotions ago in the department I worked in, and this was one of the planners and the junior planner at a Cardinals baseball game that we went to. They sent the whole office staff, like 50 people. Well, it wasn't the whole office staff. So we've got those. We've got 4 glitter glazes and a chroma glaze. So this is obsidian, raven, raspberry, berry, and key lime. I think those colors will work nicely. And my goal is to use those up. I have got 3 washies sitting here in December. While I wasn't feeling good, I may have shopped a bit. So there's a lot of new things in the old craft room now. And so I went a little washi crazy. So I figured that these colors, obviously black, it just says special delivery, but it is just black. And this like melon colored with black crosses, and then this metallic pink one would match the mood and feel we got going on there in the color scheme. I had my wood veneer box sitting out, one of them, and I have these acrylic coffee cups. They're red. Not real sure if I'm going to be able to get those on there, but I'm going to try to play with them and maybe paint them. And then I have a whole bunch of, these are all the same. So I have 2 coffee cups with a heart. And then this set of coffee cups here that are 4 different sizes with a little coffee on them. I do not know where I got those. I will apologize to whatever store they're from. These to me right here feel more like some assemblage required due to the thickness. I'm not sure about that, but these are way thinner, and MK makes her stuff like super awesome quality. This is a stencil. I cannot remember the name of the store, but it is a coffee stencil, and I don't even know if the store is still around. It was a long time ago on Etsy, or what's the name of that store? Something creative redesigned, reimagined. Christina Sorge's shop. I don't know the name of it. I'm sorry. Long time ago purchased that. And then you just see me pull these 3 out. So this has got a lot of foodie stuff in there that I would like to try to use up with the coffee, you know, some little cuppy cakes. Obviously not going to really go through every single thing in here because that would be forever. But see if we can take at least these 3 and make it into 2. So we got a little kettle. You know, I know it's the wrong color, but we can paint this and just go for the shape type thing. So this has got foodie stuff in it as well, and some other crazy stuff. So see if I can get a dent made in that one. And then this one has a whole bunch of just different stuff in it. It looks a little bit more traveling. May not actually even be able to use this one, but we'll keep it around, give it a whirl, see what we can do. Okay, and on to the paper pack that you can tell I have never used because it's still in this wrapping, because I always take them all out and put them in the zipper bags. So this is Coffee by Echo Park. And we got the cut aparts, so we can use the cut aparts to make more embellishments if we need. Same cut aparts, a whole bunch of coffees, beautiful floral print there. Some, what is that called? Gingham? Oh, 2 of those. And we're going to have 2 of these. So we've got this beautiful floral and coffee mix. And then just a green, solid-ish. Reads as a solid, right? Some more cut aparts. Whoa, that will mess with your eyeballs, won't it? Kind of always does do funky stuff with my eyeballs. So a lot of fun cut aparts coffee is always a good idea. And then I like big cups, and I cannot lie, that is freaking hilarious. May your coffee be strong and your Monday be short. So a lot of cute little sayings. I can cut that apart. Another beautiful floral. Ooh, this one is very pretty. Like totally off kilter from the rest of it, isn't it? It's like, it's almost bright. And then a pink one. And then the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So yeah, this is something that has just been sitting in the old stash for quite some time. So we are going to dive in this month and see to use this up. Because obviously the way that I was doing it before, I was never going to actually kill one. I would like to kill one. So we are going to start pulling out ones like this that go with our theme for every month. And use up some consumables and try to make our way through these containers. And yeah, so that's it. So I will see you guys later when we start creating with this. Bye.